Hi, I'm Dee, and welcome to my channel, Dee Lovely Life, a variety channel. Because life should be lovely no matter what happens. As a homemaker and family caregiver, I try my best to give others hope in the most positive way. And let's face it, there's a bit of some humor in there too.
About it is I know I'm coming back. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
Hey, thanks for joining me today for another Tiny Tidy Tuesday, hosted by my good friend Sunday Dawn at This Helpful Home, along with the Tiny Tidy team, Mel at Melinda Plain and Simple, Jen at Happily Organized Chaos, Amanda Jane at Mind Your Matters, Joe at Minimal Zebra, and Noel at Noel Winters. Sunday Dawn publishes a playlist each Tuesday on her channel. I'll link this week's in my description box below. Today, I needed to tidy up my kitchen quickly so I can get outside to my happy place, which is my backyard garden. This video was going to be all about that, but hey, why not cut this portion out for Sunday Dawn's Tiny Tidy Tuesdays, right? I know, genius. Just kidding. Queen G and I finished up our morning breakfast and routine. I already unloaded and reloaded the dishwasher before I picked up my camera to record. Trust me, the dishwasher is running. So I'm doing the breakfast dishes by hand. I had ordered some bluebird flower from Amazon, which I think is a hoot. And I'm pretty sure my fellow natives are chuckling right about now. But it's the only way I can get the flour here in my area in order to make Navajo fry bread. We had hot link sandwiches the previous day, and I needed to save and freeze the 2 sourdough rolls left for later. I didn't want them to go to waste, and I knew it would be a while until we would use them. Thank goodness for the food saver, okay? I can't wait to share with you how we've been using it. I'm at the age I need my reader glasses. Are you? And it's hilarious. After all these times I use this machine, I still find myself having to read the instructions because I keep questioning myself if I'm doing it right. And if this here is the most dramatic part of my morning, then as Ice Cube would rap, today is a good day. it's going to be a very warm day today, around 87 to 88 degrees. And to us Californians, that is hot. I need for Mom and I to keep drinking enough water. And I've been slacking off that department lately, so I need to make sure that I drink water today. I'm using Method's all-purpose cleaner in Honeycrisp Apple. Nice scent. But after I use this up, I'll be going back to my favorite pink grapefruit. I love Method and pink grapefruit. What do you use for all-purpose? Tell us in the comments what you use. Are you the ones who make their own DIY cleaners? Come on, let us know in the comments. I only make my own window cleaner if I have vinegar on hand. Which reminds me, note to self, put vinegar on shopping list D.
Are you done with your cranberry juice, Mom? No? Okay. Just take your time. I want to go outside and do a little bit of yard work. Yeah. If I can. Are you going to be okay? Oh, yeah.
Sneak peek of what took place later today. Video is up this week, so hit that bell so you don't miss it. And yes, that was a short little plug from myself. I'm that person where I need to have my kitchen tidy first thing before anything. It's a major morning routine of mine. It doesn't have to be immaculate. We do what we can. Now, go watch the playlist for more tiny tidy motivation and make sure you click on our icons to subscribe. Thanks for watching.